In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pinned checklists and custom image headers in Google Keep. We'll dive right in, so let's get started by opening up PowerPoint. This is where we'll design our custom image header. Once you have PowerPoint open, you'll want to focus on the Design tab. This is where you have access to a range of tools that can help you create the visual style for your header. Next, navigate to Slide Size. This option allows you to adjust the dimensions of your slide to better fit the appearance you're going for. Be sure to click on Custom Slide Size to customize the width and height. If you're planning to use these headers specifically for Google Keep, try dimensions that align with their typical display size, such as 600 by 200 pixels. It's always a good idea to preview the aspect ratio to ensure everything fits as you envision it. Once you've set your slide dimensions, it's time to add your text. Click into the text box and type in whatever message or label you have in mind for your header. Remember, the text plays a significant role in making your header clear and informative. After inputting your text, navigate over to Shape Format on the top ribbon. This is where you can really make your text pop by exploring word art styles. Choose a style that matches the theme or aesthetic you're aiming for. Once you're happy with how everything looks, you need to save your slide as an image. Head to the File menu, then choose Save As. For this project, it's essential to save the image as a PNG file. PNGs are high quality and maintain their transparency, making them ideal for headers. Save the file to a location where you'll easily find it when uploading to Google Keep. Now let's hop over to Google Keep. If you're not familiar, Google Keep is a super handy note-taking app within Google's suite of productivity tools. Start by accessing Google Keep on your browser. Once there, you'll see the option to take a note at the top of the page. Click on this to start creating a new note. You'll then see an option to add image. Click it and upload the PNG file you saved earlier from PowerPoint. Having this custom header will give your note a unique, personalized touch. Now it's time to make your note more practical and functional. Click on background options and choose a background that complements your header image. If you often refer back to this note, pinning it can be incredibly useful. Simply click pin at the top of the note and it will always remain at the top of your notes list for easy access. Lastly, don't forget to close the note once you're done, ensuring all your changes are saved. And there you have it, a professional and customized note in Google Keep. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy organizing.